Alright guys, so this is going to be my first try on a 4K video. Let's see if there's any difference. I don't know. And today I'm going to be striping. I got the striping kit. I finally went to Ace Hardware and got the missing bolt. When I took it off last time just to move it out of the way, I lost the bolt, and so basically I haven't been striping all season, and I've been using the Cub Cadet, so figure, you know what? You know, when everything's cooling down and it's almost time to pack up for the season, I might as well start striping for the year. Alright, so we got some mushrooms. I'm gonna show them off before I mow them in. We've had tons of rain this past week, so check this out. So mushrooms aren't really a problem in the lawn. I mean, they're a nuisance, but you don't need fungicide. Now, because of all the wet weather, you can see here, this grass definitely has some disease going on. So it's kind of late in the year to be going too crazy with fungicides and trying to get it to, you know, be perfect, because we already had a frost. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put anything down for that, but I'm not really too worried about it. We did have a lot of rain recently, so I haven't mowed in a while. And the grass is still wet, but yeah, don't worry about mushrooms. Alright, so this is my first time doing the stripes across the driveway so they match. We'll see if they look any good. I hope that, oh, the sun's starting to peak a little bit. And I can't see on the screen, but I'm hoping that's looking pretty good. I gotta put the shutters up. My wife did an awesome job of painting. She did the whole house she did the whole house entirely by herself. When I was at work, I'd come home and another section of the house was done. So mad props to the wife. But it's looking good. Let's take a close look. Just how thick and awesome this is. That's just nice. And the whole thing is like that. Pretty cool. So I am liking the Carbon X. It's doing a good job. There's a couple, spots with some extra water, but you know, what are you gonna do? It's part of having a living organism around your house. But overall, really happy with how the lawn was this year. And unfortunately, this might be my last year doing this lawn, so we'll see what happens. If you like my videos, you'll love my website, grassdaddy.net. The Lawn Care Planner tool will download the local weather reports every morning and build a lawn care plan catered to your area. The Lawn Care Journal allows you to keep track of what you put down, when you put it down, so there's no more guessing or over or under applying any products. We also have a Lawn of the Week contest. Every week a winner gets a Grass Daddy t-shirt. And last but not least, there are application calculators and articles to help you identify and tackle problems in the lawn. So check it out, it's completely free, it's grassdaddy.net.